In this tutorial video, we have yet another Jamb question here. If P is equal to this, express R in terms of P, S, and T. It's just simply telling you to find R or make R the subject of formula. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing to do, if P is equal to square root of R S cubed all over T, you have to express R in terms of P, S, and T. You are simply told to make R the subject of formula. So the first thing to do is to square both sides of the equation so that we remove the square root sign. If we square both sides of the equation, we have P squared to be equal to square root of Rs raised to the power of 3t all squared. So this is what we get. The next thing to do is to open this bracket. For we to open this bracket, we say P squared will be equal to, of course, this square root sign will go with this square. The reason is because we can write this to be 1 all over 2 multiplied by this square, 2. So this will cancel this. We'll be left with this, which is equal to Rs3 all over T. It then means that P squared is equal to Rs3 all over T. The next thing to do is to cross multiply when you have something like this. If we cross multiply, we'll have P squared T to be equal to Rs3. For we to make R the subject of formula, just as how it is asked in the question, we divide both sides by S3. So if we divide both sides by S3, we'll have R to be equal to P squared T all over S3. So this becomes our answer to this Jamb question that is given. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel for more videos on change of subject formula.